I mean, you must be seeing something that is different than what many other funds may be looking at. Is it a matter of that you're A16Z and you naturally look at things differently? Or are there really opportunities that you're really uncovering that others may not be looking at?
Well, I think a lot of the focus of classical crypto funds was investing in pure blockchain infrastructure, L1s, L2s, the like, investing in things that were built entirely on chain and fully decentralized. And I think the whole space is going through, I would call it a market annealing process. I think that is a lot of what is happening today with crypto startups being willing to make sort of changes and being willing to be flexible in the structure of how a protocol works, for instance, in order to serve the needs of a new customer set. And I think crypto as a space has very well served the needs of individual retail consumers, has very well served the needs of, let's say, cypherpunks. I think if we want to serve fintech customers, if we want to serve traditional financial institutions as customers, the things they want out of a blockchain protocol or a DeFi protocol are a little bit different. So I think the whole industry is kind of going through this morphing and shaping process. I think there's kind of a clear opportunity, and I would say it seems somewhat obvious to us because we recognize fantastic founders, really talented people coming out of fintech companies, coming out of banks, coming from asset managers to start new crypto startups. And in many cases, it will not be like a crypto-focused payments company. It will just be a payments company. I think there are pretty few companies today that would identify themselves as an internet company. It's a company that happens to be built on the internet because almost all companies are really built on the internet today. And I think crypto is maybe going through that process where there's no longer a crypto-specific industry. There are a lot of products that are built on top of a blockchain because it's a more efficient way to offer the service or it's a more composable way to build a protocol.